Hi everyone, I'll show you how to replace the camera glass in your Galaxy S5. It's really easy. All you have to do is just take this back cover off the Galaxy and then take this frame around the camera first, the plastic. Take this thing off. It's pretty much, and then use something sharp to get under the camera glass. I'll use knife, it's more sharp. Here it is, and just go all the way around. Here you go, just take off your old one and then just get a new one and just install it. If yours is broken, mine wasn't broken, so everything is good. And then just put this thing back in the frame. You can use some glue if you want. There you go. It's replaced just like a new one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.